Salita ka. Okay, yun yung kasabero mga kapatid. Makapaligo natin. Parang natin ang pagkakuha sa inyo. Ayos na ang ating mga buhok. Para makita nyo ang ating hindi nalala ko na nangyayari sa inyo. Ilog ko dito. Bisaya. Sino ang taga-Luzon? Lahat tayo Pilipino. Itaas ang aming warawat na nag-iikot kung saan tayo kakasa. Pero bakit? Kaya mamaya pagkawin natin, mamaya merong Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin, iwawag-iwal natin yan. Okay. Alam pa ninyo, yung mga magunin. Alam pa ninyo, once makapasok kayo dito, for whole day, hindi na kayo pwedeng lumabas.
Yes!
Kasi kapag lumabas kayo, hindi na kayo makakabalik. Mababakan kayo ang upuan ninyo.
Hello, sir!
Sir! So, hanggang makapag kayo dito. Sir! Kung nagdala kayo yung bakit. May mga bakit ba kayo? Okay. Kung meron yung bakit, bawal ng
Lambino!
Hindi lang tayo magpahalata. Okay? Okay! Magkaibigan tayo.
Sir!
Hindi ito rugby. Hindi ito politika. Kasi ang permit natin dito, religious permit dito sa umaga, ang handball after 12, meet and greet sa mga San Antonio Boys at siyempre, pasasalamat natin kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Okay? So, in 9:30 po, mag-start tayo. Sino ang Katoliko dito? Merong Iglesia. Merong Pentecostal.
Si Dokto, di ba? Si Dokto.
May Muslim, tama? Meron. Iba-iba kayo yun. Pero alam natin, iisa ang Diyos natin. So, pumunta tayo dito, mamaya-maya, magpasalamat tayo sa Ama, nabuhay pa tayo. Sino ang mga yan bukas? Humihinga pa kayo? Sino ka may hinga? Lahat tayo humihinga sila ngayon. Yung lahat ng Katoliko magpuri sa Ama. Lahat ng Lubis magpuri sa Ama. Hindi wala nasulat ko. Sulat ko, lahat ng may hinga magpuri sa Ama. So, sabay-sabay tayo mamaya. Huwag natin isipin Kingdom of Jesus Christ ito, o kaya Iglesia ko ito, o kaya Katoliko. Wala tayo doon. Lahat tayo, tao, babae, lalaki, nangangailangan ng kaligtasan. Amen!
Ay po kayo sa live.
So, yung mga pagkakulit ko, mga bayog ninyo, mga timba na nasa harapan, makikita yan ng mga kamag-anak ninyo, baka mag-isip sila ng pauwi na ng Pilipinas.
Sa balota ha. Anong number yan?
Nakaruming ako.
Children. Such a man as Pastor Paul Louis was born with extremely good parents who grew up Makaka. His father Jose and Maria were siblings, tracked plenty of Mindanao. An adventurous journey that though full of promises was fraught with the danger of the unknown. Jose and Maria finally found their nest in a private
Thank you.
all in the Mediterranean. As interpreted as music Chinese play, there the last and only child was born. Pastor Paul Louis, the youngest of the group, grew up with a people called Bagobos. He got adventures when he was in possession of a back to and from Mindanao, and then abandoned several times. Finally, Pastor Paul Louis out of the leadership of his country.
Ay po kayo sa live, Leonard.
Must have finished his elementary and high school education on Pagkakataon. Thereafter, Christ's introduction to the Pastor Paul Louis' life, as he was called to a vocation, not of his own choosing, but the divinely appointed one. Bible school, not secular school as he dreamt of, is the place where he learned that our life is not our own, but God who directs it, ushered into the ministry after his Bible training and as an evangelist to the churches in the Philippines. Meeting the grassroots with people who found their properties in the passage and so pervasive in the countryside that poor people can live in some conditions as we also experience growing up, but still have to share whatever needs they have.
Okay.
This totally real matter.
May nawalan ng bag, so mindful tayo sa mga bag natin. Kung natin ihiwalay sa atin, sino may nakakita ng bag na pula? Doon lang ka sa kuha na sa taas. Ayan o. Ayan. Taas daw.
Hindi nag-aapay.
Yung chapter ng bread lang.
Sa wifi po, sa wifi.
Dito tayo.
Hapon pa yun.
Pero may kita.
Show has gotten into the song. The true Father Almighty blesses God-given ministry that we will dedicate with God His blessing to help the children and provide for them at home, education, food, clothing, shelter, protection, and loving care. Thus, the Children's Joy Foundation is born. It is born out of love to help and empower Filipino children who come from the poorest of the poor. This act of selfish concern can spring to the planted efforts of nation building. Pastor Apollo's Hebrews heart is to help and be a partner of government in uplifting the plight of poor families with destitute children. A noble mission with a noble cause, love and take the whole in a conquer. Many countries, millions of poor children, countless packets of single meals, thousands of school supplies, hundreds of students full scholarships, scores of CJF President homes for children were distributed in bill 50 years. Hundreds of CJF volunteers from DOJC spent hundreds of hours catering to the needs of these children. CJF are really a worldwide mission in tackling the DOJC, from which most of the volunteers facilitate their much-needed help come from. It was Pastor Apollo's Hebrews with the Shepherd heart. Especially among the athletes. Education is provided as a useful tool to eradicate poverty, ignorance, and illiteracy among the most vulnerable of society's downtrodden. First is helping the government of nation building at its best.
Video yun. May video siya.
However, we will heavily outreach vision of central finance. We don't point out the factors under the influence of superior forces.
Isa na lang sa nakita ng bag ni Ate. Anak nila, okay na ang bag. So, mga honest yung mga Pilipino.
Yes, Pilipino tayo.
Italim natin, bagulang natin. Mga honest tayo lahat.
Kami mas kami.
Huwag kayong kumuha na hindi sa atin. Kung gusto niyo, manghingi lang kayo.
Isang large, dalawang
A well-organized Indonesian job was set at the
Pwede makaupo. Di ba may dress code tayo dito? But may naka-shorts.
Tama na,
Pwede pa kayo natin. Ushers, sa ilan may maglakad-lakad? Okay, Okay, mamaya pa po yung picture taking kasi sa ilang sandali mag-start na po tayo. Salamat. Alam natin mga Pilipino masunurin.
Una tayo.
Ayun, kay Virgie picture.
And so the trial basically went on full swing with the conspiracy of Senate Peter and Bernie hearing to advocate the safety of road car destruction. Black propaganda is another tool of destruction. Witness case of over 2 years against Patrick Police in the road. Someone came to life. The option to put Patrick Police in the road in bonds. Authorities ordered the latter case be transferred to the Cecilia Passive. One original case split into two. One assigned in Passive 4. It did not deliver. Warrants of arrest were issued to Patrick Police in the road and 5 others in Passive City Jail. The round is complete. The demonic forces joyful. Like sharks on a feeding frenzy, mainstream media paper otherwise jumped into the fray, sensationalizing and distorting negative reporting, and the bitter news regarding Patrick Police to the world. As the shepherd was struck, blow after blow, the demonic force suspected a flock was discovered and scattered away. To his consternation, the opposite unexpected banquet happened. The long kingdom of Jesus Christ kingdom citizens all over the world, solidified into one block of solid unity, unperturbed, unshaken.